Analysis of India's Index of Industrial Production (IIP). 1. What is IIP? The IIP is a composite indicator that measures short-term changes in the volume of production of a basket of industrial goods mining, manufacturing, electricity relative to a base period. In India, the current base year for IIP is 2011 to 12 equals 100. The sectors covered are broadly mining, manufacturing and electricity. Manufacturing has the largest weight, around 77.6%, in the IIP basket. From a use-based classification, the kinds of goods in IIP include primary goods, capital goods, intermediate goods, infrastructure construction goods, consumer durables, and consumer non-durables. Why it matters? Because industrial production is a key part of economic activity, the IIP is a leading indicator of industrial health, supply-side momentum in the economy, and can signal upcoming changes in GDP or investment trends. 2. Recent performance 2025. Recent growth rates. In June 2025, IIP grew by 1.5% year-on-year. In July 2025, it grew by 3.5%. In August 2025, growth was around 4.0% YY, a slight moderation from previous month. In May 2025, the growth was very weak at 1.2%. B. Sectoral breakdown. In June 2025, mining, 8.7%, a sharp decline. Manufacturing, plus 3.9%. Electricity, 2.6%. Use-based groups in June. Infrastructure construction goods up 7.2%, intermediate goods 5.5%, consumer durables 2.9%, but primary goods and consumer non-durables declined. See key observations. The rebound from weak growth in earlier months is visible, from 1% in May, 1.5% in June, 3.5% in July, 4% in August. Manufacturing is showing more resilience compared to mining and electricity. Use-based classification shows that capital goods, intermediate goods and infrastructure goods are among the stronger segments, which suggests investment utilization angles picking up. The mining and electricity segments remain weak or volatile, which drags the overall index. The pace of IIP growth is modest, 3 to 4% compared to high growth phases. This suggests there is still room for stronger industrial momentum. Summary. In short, India's IIP is showing modest recovery and positive growth, with manufacturing and investment-related segments showing promise. However, overall growth remains subdued compared to high growth periods, and the industrial sector still faces structural and supply-side constraints, especially in mining and electricity. The trajectory is positive, but a sustained step up in industrial growth will likely depend on improving the weaker segments and leveraging policy and investment dynamics.